One of the most difficult verbs in the language to put in the infinitive is the verb to have. Try this one out. How would I say I would like to have a party? So I would like, b'wathlum, but then to have a party. If you're struggling with it, there's a good reason. It's because there is no verb to have in Irish. Think about tá madra agam, for I have a dog. It's a dog is at me. Past tense, bhí madra agam. So I'm using the verb to be and just changing the tense of that to change the tense of to have. Therefore, in the infinitive, it's not going to be any different. I just need the infinitive of the verb to be. That's going to be a bheith. And in our classic infinitive structure, let's say an obair a dhéanamh to do the work, so we use the noun first, we invert. Therefore, I would like to have a party would be b'wathlum kosher a bheith agam. We could also say fiesta for party. So it's always going to be that structure. Let's say X is the noun, so it's going to be X a bheith. Let's call it agam, but again, the